I had a bit of an incident the other day with one and I just could not get the box top square, and I'd drill the holes and put the screws in, but there's no way in the world it would line up. So in that case, I start from scratch, and what I did was put a toothpick in the hole. So just an ordinary toothpick from the dollar store. I've got one to fix up here, so I'll do it here. I personally prefer matchsticks because I think matchsticks have a better timber in it for a screw to adhere to. Most of them are poplar, whereas you'll find most of these toothpicks are bamboo and they don't screw well, they don't accept a screw as nicely as a real timber or poplar does. So where's some glue? Oh. All you do is just put a dab of glue, this hole here, a dab of glue over the hole, and then a little bit of glue on the end of the matchstick or the toothpick or whatever it is you're using. Find the hole, make sure you get the glue down in there nicely. Then push it home, trim it off a couple of mil above what you want. Now with a hammer, just really bash it down. Now leave that, and then the next day you come back, they're dry like this, and then all you got to do is just cut it off. Whoops! And what did I say would happen if you push too hard? Just happened. It's all right, we'll fix it. So, apart from this bit I just damaged then, but you can see now we don't have a screw hole there. We can screw or drill again and get a brand new hole. What I'll do with that while I'm here, so I don't do it now, I'll forget. Okay, just a bit of good stuff, super glue, I love it. I'm just going to put my other glasses on so I can see if we got a good fit there, which it appears that we do have. Okay, now a bit of tape to hold that down, and we can finish that off, or I'll finish that off at a later stage. I'll do this one, but this time I'm going actually into the void, so I don't have that same problem. So that was a graphic example of what I said earlier that can happen if you push too hard. All right, that's it. If you do accidentally drill in the wrong place and you're putting a hinge in, that's the way to fill it for a box. If it's a door and it's a bigger hole and it's DIY sort of thing, just shave off a wedge of any sort of timber and then cut a point on it and just hammer it in with a bit of glue, leave it, and then you're good to go again. Remember when you're fitting box hinges to use those 2 bits of veneer and put it between the masking tape, and then that gives you the gap so you won't get a sprung lid when you put your lid together. Only put in 2 screws per hinge, preferably diagonally, and then if you have a problem, you have still got 2 fresh bits of meat you can drill into and tap your screws. And just take your time, don't rush it. There's no... If you're doing woodwork because you enjoy it and it's a hobby and relaxation, what's the point of rushing and getting stressed over it? You want to get stressed, start streaming when your gear doesn't work. I'm sorry. No, it's all good.